Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how you can recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. Now this video will apply to pretty much any Nissan Rogues, even the newer ones. The only difference is the location of the low pressure charging port if you have a newer model vehicle. But once you know that, everything else is gonna be the same. Now, before I start explaining what to do and how to do it, I would always recommend to have the AC recharged by a professional shop, just because they have all the professional equipment, they can evacuate the system, and they can connect to both the low pressure and high pressure charging port. If you're doing this recharge by yourself, all you can do is buy the AC recharge kit and then connect to the low pressure charging port and do it that way. You can buy these AC recharge kits at pretty much any car parts store, even online like Amazon, Walmart, or even I've seen it last summer in the grocery stores. Usual price is around $50, and if on sale they'll go as low as $25-30. The good thing about this, once you buy the kit, you can reuse this hose with the gauge as many times as you wish, and then you just have to buy new cans for any additional charge, and you can use it on pretty much any vehicle. Usual price of the can is around $5-6. Now, one more thing before you start to charge the system, just here on the hood you will have a small sticker which will show you how much refrigerant goes into it. Now on my Rogue, so type 134A, and the amount is 0.50 kilograms. And now if we compare that to the numbers on this can, it's gonna say equivalent to R134A 454 grams, so that's 0.45 kilograms. So that pretty much means this system can take one can, and that's pretty much it if it's completely empty. If it's not completely empty, then you might have to add just half a can. That's something you have to pay attention to, and always keep monitoring this gauge. You want to be here in the blue, you don't want to get anywhere too high over the blue, because in that case you risk overcharging the system and damaging the AC compressor. Now, how this will work: you will screw the can onto this side of the hose, then you will connect the other side to the low pressure charging port, then you will pierce the can by turning this knob all the way in, and then you will start the engine and start charging the system. Okay, so first attach the can all the way. And then what you will do, you want to remove this black cap of the low pressure charging port. Now the one next to it, this is the high pressure port. You do not touch this one, you want this one. And the high pressure port is actually a bit bigger than the other one, so there is no way you can attach the hose to the wrong one. Okay. Now to attach it, you just want to lift this sleeve up, see, and it will just pop on. Okay, that's it. And now the last thing to do, you want to turn this knob all the way in to pierce the can. And once you do that, you can proceed inside the vehicle and start the vehicle. Okay, so start the engine. You want to set the air conditioner to the max AC, so to the highest setting, and turn the fast speed and turn the fan speed to the highest setting as well. So this is how everything has to look, and now you can proceed outside and start charging the system. Okay, so I hope you can hear me because the engine is quite loud. You want to turn the can upside down and slowly start releasing this knob, and that will charge the system. Now this doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time. And always keep monitoring the gauge. Now, what I like to do when I may be halfway done, I like to take a break, proceed inside the vehicle and see if I can feel a difference. So yeah, just come inside the vehicle and see if you feel that AC is any colder than it was before. But always make sure to monitor the gauge. This is just something additionally which can also prove you that this is working. And if you feel improvement, in my case I can definitely feel the AC being much cooler. It was kind of warm before, now it's almost cold. I will still continue adding that refrigerant until I fully charge it. Okay, so just continue to add refrigerant and slowly turn this knob. Once you are done and happy with the results, you can turn off the engine. Okay, I will also show you now on my gauge how it looks. So I am in the blue, just like I said. Now I used one complete can. Now this will vary a bit how the AC compressor engages, right? But this is what you want to have. Okay, once you're done, don't forget to install the cap back on. Now to disconnect everything, just want to deattach this side, and then you can, if this can is completely empty, you can just unscrew it. And if there is still refrigerant left in the can, you want to turn the knob all the way in, and that way you can save it and reuse it in the future, next summer or on any other vehicle. In case you have to add one more can or a bit of refrigerant from the other can, you will just repeat the process from the beginning of this video. Now one more thing, all this will work in case there is no leaks in your AC system and the air compressor is actually working. If you have a leak or any kind of problem, then unfortunately you will have to take the vehicle to a mechanical shop so they can do proper diagnostics. They can charge the system with a special dye to see where is the leak coming from, and they can test the AC compressor. In case of a small leak, you can try using something like this. It's called a stop leak. So it helps to seal and condition O-rings and minor AC system leaks. I used it a couple of times and it actually did help, and this is something you can consider as well. And then you might have good AC for a couple of months through the summer, but eventually if you have a leak you have to fix it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.